Hey everyone, Nishi here with another fast and exciting social media marketing tip for you. Today I want to talk about continuing doing business on social media during COVID. So the COVID pandemic is still here, but things are getting better and businesses are slowly starting to open up. And if you're one of these business owners, you're probably being very cautious and trying to decide where you want to put your focus, where you want to invest your time and resources and finances so that your business can thrive during this time, not just survive, right? So you may or may not be considering, is it worth your time and effort to be investing in social media during this time? So here's a couple of things that you should be considering before making this decision. Number one, it's that your target audience, your clients and your potential clients are on social media these days more than ever before, mostly because they have nowhere else to go, right? But they're on there shopping, they're looking for products and services, looking for advice, looking for coaching, looking to socialize, right? I mean, social media is social, right? First and foremost. So they're on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram more than ever before. So if you're not on there, if your business is not on there, communicating what it is you have to offer them during this time, you're going to get forgotten. They're going to think you're not in business anymore, or you're closed down for the pandemic or something like that. So make sure you're on there because your audience is on there and they need to hear from you. So that's number one. Number two, your business has likely changed. We talk about going back to the way things were, business as usual. There's no usual anymore, right? Your product, your service, whatever it is, has likely changed because of the coronavirus. And how has it changed? You need to explicitly communicate this with your audience, right? Otherwise, you're just going to be confused. Think about all the things that they've gone through, right, in recent months. So they're already in a state of confusion as it is. So if you're not explicit about your offer right now, like what exactly are you offering? What exactly is your product? What exactly is your service? And how has it changed in recent months? They're not going to be clear on that. So don't lose out on being able to serve them just because you haven't been communicating with them, right? Don't ghost your audience during this time. You want to be as clear as possible about what you have to offer them. So that's number two. Number three is not only has your business changed, but your audience has changed. Their needs have changed a lot during this time, right? So you need to be in contact with them and know what it is that's changed about their lives, about their day-to-day, so that you can better help them and support them, and so that in doing so, your business survives and thrives during this time. So that's it for today. 3 reasons why you should push harder than ever on social media. And if you're not there, I mean, I've done another video a couple of weeks ago about how to spark your creativity if you're feeling kind of not in that space to be creating content. But now's a good time. It's been a while. Now's a good time to get back on social media or to get on it in the first place better than ever before. So that's it for today. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please subscribe. Until next time, take care.